This isn't a fake per se, but this app is running its mouth saying that my $1,700 shoes didn't pass authentication. So, suck. Tradeblock, the only credible app sneakerheads have to trade our shoes. I absolutely love trading shoes. It's a lot of fun. I have over 80 trades and very little problems. But right now, I have a big $1,700 problem. Me and another trade partner, and I, we agreed on a trade. All new inbox, aka DS, size 10.5, my Travis Scott high mochas for his reverse mochas and lost and founds. The trade partner informed me that Tradeblock informed him that I'm broke, but I took care of it. This. The other trader's shoes were authentic, but had the following quality control issues. Stain on the tongue of the left shoe. What the f***? Whose f***ing tongue of whose f***ing shoe is that? I'm gonna tell you right now, if I ever saw that mark on my $1,700 shoes, I would have freaked out. I already take insanely detailed pics of my shoes, but I learned in this situation that I never get a good angle of the tongues. But I'm a YouTuber. I gotta have some footage. Boom. Here's a 15-minute video that these shoes are featured in. So those are the real ones there. I was doing a fake comparison. These guys over here are fake. Here's the real ones, and this is the left tongue. Directly in your face. There's that left tongue again, over on your right. Let me take a screenshot of this. Get the fake one out of there. I want to get nice and close up on this. Do you see anything here? Anything? Email support. Link them the video. Show them the screenshot. 16 hours later, I get a response literally telling me play by play what I already know. In the meantime, they talking reckless on the app saying that they're not going to refund my trade fees. I email right after and I say, I won't accept this. 4 hours later, I get a response. We value you as an active member. After further discussion with the team, we will be issuing your trade fees back. We may have f***ed up your $1,700 shoes, but hey, no charge, no charge, no charge. We appreciate your business. F***ing up your $1,700 shoes was our pleasure. No charge. Today, February 15th, after I had 87 stress-induced heart attacks, I messaged them back. I say, I'm gonna make a claim with UPS. Either the shoes got f***ed up in transit, or the shoes got f***ed up after the box was open. Either way, I have video evidence of the condition of my shoes. Do you have video evidence? What holds up in court? 4 hours later, literally the same exact message they gave me the last time. Word for word. You already said that 3 times and never addressed what I said. 22 minutes later, an automated message that the office is closed. It's like I'm not even communicating with a human. And you know what? It's like I'm not even being treated like a human. Tradeblock, contact me. Talk to me like a human being, and let's figure this out. Because right now, you're suspect.